Red Star. You can see a mural on this building. Red Star is everything. It's a way of life. Hey! This video may be strange for you and I don't know how to explain it. But it's about a soccer club from my hometown Belgrade. Club is known as the Red Star. In Europe, South America and other countries, the soccer fans are the craziest kind that exist. Our team, Red Star, was formed in 1945 in Yugoslavia, then destroyed from Second World War, and from the beginning that became one of the leading clubs. The greatest success was in 1991 when we became European and even world champions. Red Star is known everywhere. We beat everybody: Bayern München, Real Madrid, Barcelona, Tottenham, Liverpool. Through the years we battled the local team. That's in our country, the second best, always behind us. It's called Partizan, also formed in 1945 and had less success than the Red Star. It's our main opponent and rival, and the battle between teams and the fans are legendary. These two teams for the past 60-70 years played over 160 times, and again this week there was a match and I decided to go to see it. Basically, the moment I arrived to Belgrade that same week, there were two games. One was against the Portuguese team named Braga in European Championship, and 3 days later it's against our rival Partizan, and I expected crazy things to see from the fans, and that's what I wanted to show you. But security became so tight that they even don't let some most craziest fans in the stadium. They are afraid of some penalties from European Union and stuff. So usually in all days, here's an example. It was crazy on the stadium, fireworks, battle, after the game, fighting with opponents' fans, So we have our group, their group, we meet somewhere. I got in a fight. I was hoping I can show you this, but it's really not that strong as I expected. But I hope it's gonna be entertaining. So check it out. It's a game day, team colors, red and white. It's about an hour and a half before the game and it's everything packed. It's really hard to find the transport. I have a friend of mine drop me here. This Cafe Dica, that's by our famous goalkeeper, so he got the first spot next to the stadium. So our team colors are red and white. I didn't have anything red and white. It doesn't fit my old
jerseys and don't fit anymore. The game today is very important. It's the beginning of the group part of European League. There are 3 teams in our group. There's like 8 groups or something, and we played 2 games, one at home, one away, with those 3 teams. So there's going to be 6 games, and the top team goes in the next round in the playoffs. So really important to win this one first at home. It's against the Portuguese team Braga, and it's really not that known team, but the players are mostly Portuguese and Brazilians, and they're really very fast. So their speed may be the problem. We'll see. Basically, we are favorites to win this, and anything but the win is disappointing. Here we are at the stadium, and people are coming. Half hour to the game. So you may wonder, why am I showing you this? Because you don't care about European soccer games. Well, it's not even about the game. It's about the fans. The craziest thing you ever saw in your life. So there's a security measures. So you show barcode, and then they let you in. And I'm here with my son. You already saw him in my videos. He's shy for TV. Stadium is using geographic notation. We are on the west side, that's east, south, and north, and that's where all crazies go. You see, it's even designated with a sign, Delia. There's the first flag. And Corona rules, only 50% capacity, so stadium has like 55-60,000 seats. It's going to be maybe maximum about 25,000, but that's good enough. We're going to make noise. It's second half, still 0-0, no goals. We score one, and in the same minute they score. Now it's tied game again. Disaster. So the stadium is almost empty, but fanatics, they're not leaving. They're celebrating. It's Sunday and it's a crazy day. Today it's 165th time that two local soccer teams played, and they're the best in the country of all times. Both teams, Red Star and Partizan, are formed in 1945 after the Second World War. Till now they played 165 times. They're from the same city and they're the two biggest teams in Serbia or old Yugoslavia. And it's crazy. There's gonna be fight between fans. It's gonna be crazy. So my team is Red Star, as you can know, and we are playing at their stadium. So I had to be quiet. My team has red and white stripes on jerseys. Their team is black and white. They call us gypsies, we call them grave diggers. That's traditional. The city is closed. Police is everywhere. There's no traffic. Some of the public transportation works, not everything. You just can't come here by foot. And we'll see what happens in the game. Game is not even important. Important is the tradition. So here we are, the future of the Jovanovic family and present. So it's red, white and black and white. Red Star and Partizan. So he has to take his jersey off because in this section it's only black and white. So he have to flip it so he doesn't show his true colors. Otherwise it's a problem. It's gonna be a fight.
Znači upaljači, sito novac, elektronske cigarete odbacite. Sajte tamo, odbacite. I vratite u kola.
Ne, možda je svi kola, ali neće imati posle cigaru. Budete li bacite ili izađete da ne pravite?
So any metal object like coins or anything except your keys you have to throw away. Zašto si sumnjiv?
Sam prođete.
So everybody here is crazy. Those are their bad guys, black and white, and over there on opposite side, Red Star, red and white. So it's gonna be crazy. In all days, fights all day long. But this is after Corona, COVID restrictions. There was no audience on a stadium, so this is one of the first games with a live audience.
Broj 7, Nenad Krstičić. Ekipa Partizana nastupi u sljedećem sastavu. Na golu sa brojem 41, Aleksandar Popović. Broj 4, Siniša Saničanin. Broj 5, Igor Budočić. Broj 6, Pipa. Broj 39, Miloš Jović. Najljubaznije vas molimo da ne ubacujete pirotehnička sredstva u teren.
Kako su ih pustili da unesu to?
Još jednom molimo vas, ne ubacujte pirotehnička sredstva u teren.
Pazi, nema ni jednog, evo. And the game is over. Tied. Everybody scored one goal. No winner. Probably everybody happy. I'm waiting for my bus. That's not the right one. Next one probably. So that's the experience. I went for the memories from the old days. I was regular, one of those crazies on the north side of the stadium.